I've been painting for over 30 years, and just being around other artists, it helps to influence me in so many different directions. I paint in oils and acrylics. I do portraits, abstract, still life. I have one illustration of a family, and what I mean by a family, multicultural family, that they're all reaching for the sun. Well, in Greenville, we've came to a point in life where it's a multicultural society from the past to the present. And that was just a part of the illustration of different nationalities reaching for the sun as a family together. And the other illustrated painting is represented by nature. I do have some different birds, sparrows. You know, birds are always with nature, whether it's plants or trees, and this was just my way of making it in a beautiful way to express their joy and happiness.